Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Those of you who are new here, my name is Anjali, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this look with the makeup products that are under 400 rupees. And yes, trust me, even the makeup that are worth 200, 300, 400 rupees are good and worth spending money on, and especially for all the girlies who has to apply makeup on a daily basis, like my college girlies or my office going girlies or anyone who whatsoever can use these products. And trust me, you will thank me, and I am not here to gatekeep any of the products. So if you're interested, keep watching this video. So I've already prepped up my skin and I have moisturized it really well because today is very cold and आज बारिश भी हुई है, so my face is feeling very dry. So yeah, it's moisturized now. So let's start with the base product. This is the skin tint from Inside Cosmetics. You can see it feels like second skin. It's easily blendable, gives you a shine to your skin. You see the finish, glowy finish. And the best part about this brand is that it is an Indian brand. If you're someone who has to go to college every day and who has to apply makeup on a daily basis, then I'm pretty sure that you all must be looking for something for a skin tint that you can apply every day and also which doesn't harm your pocket. And trust me, this is the one for you. It doesn't irritate your skin, it sits on your skin so well, and even in winters it doesn't dry out your skin. And these days we have so many homegrown brands, and Inside Cosmetics is one of them. It is made in India and I just feel so good that Indian brands are doing so well. I just love the finish of the skin tint. It feels like second skin. So for concealer, I have this one from PAC. I am in the shade Caramel Touch. PAC has wide range of concealer and they are killing it with their formula. It just sits on your skin so well and it gives you full coverage and it doesn't crease. I don't think this is the perfect shade match for me, but I still make it work. It doesn't feel too heavy on your skin and still gives you full coverage. MRP is 495, but I'm sure on sale you can get it for even cheaper. I'm just gonna let my concealer sit for a while and we are gonna go in with blush. For blush, I have this one from Swiss Beauty in the shade Chico Pink. This blush is so pigmented. I think it's under 200 rupees and it is such a pretty pink color, and you just need a tiny pea amount of it. Just look at the amount of product I have taken in because it is highly pigmented, and I'll show you the shade. Such a pretty pink. It will look good on all the skin tones, whether you have dark complexion, medium skin tone, or if you have a light skin tone, it will suit all complexions. This will give you this under 200 rupees. Such a good product, and it has shea butters. And it's not like you're compromising with the ingredients. I'm just gonna take whatever product I have taken out and mix it using the finger. It's easily blendable. Gonna apply a little on my nose as well. You can just apply it on your eyelids also, and even on your lips like a lip tint, and it will give you the most natural finish ever. Let's just blend this concealer since it has dried up a little. And can you see how much coverage it is giving me? I'm just gonna blend it. I'm sorry that I'm holding my brush like this, but I have a muscle tear in my thumb, so I can't do anything about it, but I can only hold a brush like this. Oh, easily it has blended and mixed well into my skin. If you want a full coverage concealer, you can also check the L'Oreal one. It is good, but it doesn't give you a wide range of shades, but PAC does give you so many shade options that you can pick from, because that's the problem. When you try to find something under a budget, you will not find a lot of shade range. But with PAC, that's not the case. To do my brows, I have this one from Maybelline. This is Maybelline New York Brow Define and Blend in the shade dark brown. So it comes with a spoolie with which you can just brush and define your brows like this to give a cleaner look. And sometimes I just leave it with it. It has a very sharp tip, so you can always find your way around it. And I am just going to fill in a little, because you all know that I usually fill my brows from the back around this area, and it's very easy to work with this. My hero product of this video is going to be this. This is basically a chrome and matte twin eyeshadow stick. from Swiss Beauty. They have so many shades in this, and it's so easy to work with these. People who don't know how to do their eyes, or if they are lazy, or if they are running out of time, or they don't want to spend a lot of time with while doing their eyeshadows, then these sticks are for you. It has two sides. One is the matte side. That's how it looks. See how pigmented it is? Like it glides like a crayon. One swipe pigmentation. On the other side they have the glitter part. See, looks so pretty, the glitter. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna apply this matte shade all over my lids, like this, in the center of my lid, like this, and you can just blend it using your finger. See how easily it is blending. Makes your job so easy, and especially for someone who has to apply makeup every day, time saving is also cost saving. It really took me 10 seconds to get this. I'm going to take the glitter side of it, and I am just going to apply it in my inner corners of the eyelids like this. See how pretty it looks. The glitter looks so nice. How easily in less than a minute I got this eye look. For my mascara, I have this one from Maybelline, but I'm not sure whether this is available on Nykaa or Tira. But this is the Falsies Surreal Maybelline mascara. You can always try any mascara from Maybelline and Lakme, and they all are under 500, but I had this, so I didn't want to buy a new one. But any mascara will do. This mascara gives me lashes which are like unreal. Generally this says surreal, right? Yeah, it is surreal. Just look at the difference. Now to set everything in, I'm going to be using this loose powder from PAC. This is in the shade Banana, but they also have one more shade which is transparent, so you can pick whatever you like. I like to add some more color applying my powder. It sets the makeup so well, and trust me, with the PAC concealer and the PAC powder, loose powder, my under eyes doesn't crease for such a long time. Like, it doesn't move, it doesn't budge. Around my laugh lines, because I get that a lot. For the lips, I'm going to be using this Swiss Beauty lip liner. Again, very affordable and glides like magic. See, it's just one swipe applicator. So easy to use and blend. I'm just going to outline my lips. I'm going to blend it. For lipstick, I'm going to be using this one from Fay Beauty, again a homegrown brand, and their lip products are so good. And it again has shea butter in it, slightly over 500, but so good. This is the shade. See, such a pretty mauve shade. Apply this to just balance out my lip liner. I love how my makeup turned out, and I love these products so much, and I really want you guys to try it out too if you're on a budget. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you want me to try out any other product, do let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys with another video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.